In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update the signer for a signature field in PandaDoc. If you haven't sent the document yet, making these changes is quick and easy. So let's get right into it. Start by opening your document or template in the PandaDoc editor, which is your main workspace for managing every element of your file. If you are working from a template, you can find it right in your dashboard alongside all your other documents. Just click the one you need and it will open in the editor, ready for adjustments. Next, locate the signature field you want to update. It's marked with the familiar signature icon and usually placed where someone is expected to sign. Click on the field to focus on it and you will see the name of the current signer displayed at the top. This is the person currently assigned to that signature spot. To change the signer, click on their name. A list will appear showing all the people currently associated with the document. From here, you can simply choose the new recipient who should sign in that spot. If the person you need isn't listed, just use the option to add a new recipient, type in their email address and they'll be added instantly. One of the best parts is that PandaDoc automatically saves your changes. So you don't have to search for a save button or worry about losing your edits. Once everything is set, simply hit send and your updated document will be on its way to the right person for signing. That's it. You have successfully changed the signer in PandaDoc, keeping your document workflow smooth and accurate. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips.